Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYDY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green and red line annotation are coming from. And after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is a little house cleaning, just get rid of that line up there. That level has served its purpose for now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So if there is any sort of attempted bounce going into not necessarily Monday, but anytime next week, that first key level is now going to be right there at $3.30. So like I said, even if the price needs to go sideways a little bit and then start to work its way back upwards, regardless, however, it approaches it, 330 is definitely going to be the level that a lot of people will be watching as that area of resistance. If the price can get up above there, then the next key level you'd want to immediately turn your attention to is the purple line there, which on my chart denotes the famous, the very well-known 50-period moving average. Current value of that up at 339. But like I said, before you really turn any focus at all to that 50-period moving average, the price first needs to prove itself in the near term by being able to break up above the $3.30 mark. Now, as far as areas of support are concerned, two main levels that really stand out to me. First level is the near-term level, and nothing fancy behind this other than the fact of the bleeding finally stopped today at $3.12. So 312 going to be that first key level to watch. If 312 cannot hold up, then no such thing as a guarantee in the market, but it would not be shocking at all to see the price then drift down to the 305 mark, which is that next key level down there. So keep an eye on those levels from the support side of things. And then again, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, 330 and then the 50-period simple moving average. So a rough way to end the week. But the overall markets were, that was overall rough too. So we'll see, though, what happens with this one next week and if the price can try to get things turned around. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.